welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to apply and remove a TikTok filter. So the first thing we do is open up our app library, search for TikTok, and then we open up TikTok. Once TikTok is open, we'll go to the bottom and tap the plus button. So we can post anything from our gallery or take any photos or videos. I'm going to take a photo as an example. Now that we have taken a photo, to apply filters to it, on the right side, you'll see different icons, and there's an icon of three circles intersecting each other. Tap on that icon. As you can see, this has shown us different filters, and we can apply them by just tapping on the filter we want. Additionally, we can control the intensity of the filters by sliding the slider here based on the intensity we want the filter to be. And this is how we can apply filters. To remove a filter, on the filter menu on the left side, you'll see a small icon that is the stop icon. We will tap on that to remove any filter. Now I have showed you how to remove and apply filters on a photo you've taken. But let us say that you took a photo or video while a filter is applied. And if this is the case, and if you take that photo and if you try the same method to remove the filter, this will not work. So you need to retake the photo or video again. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.